In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Google Photos on Windows 11. If you want quicker access to your photo library without opening a browser tab every time, installing Google Photos as an app-like experience on your Windows 11 computer is a simple solution. This method works through a supported browser, so you can use either Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge to get started. Begin by opening Google Photos in your browser. You can do this in Chrome or Microsoft Edge, and either option works well for this process. Once the page loads, make sure you're on the Google Photos site and ready to continue. Using a supported browser is important here because the install option appears through the browser's app tools. Next, go to Google Photos within your Google account. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to sign in so you can access your photos and your personal library. After you're in, take a moment to confirm that the Google Photos page is fully loaded. This helps ensure the install option appears correctly in the browser menu. After that, locate the three-dot menu in your browser. This is usually found in the upper right corner. Click it, then look for more tools. From there, find apps, and then choose the option to install Google Photos. Depending on your browser, the wording may look slightly different, but the idea is the same. You're telling the browser to create an installed app version of the Google Photos website. Once you select the install option, you'll see a prompt near the top asking you to install the Google Photos app on your Windows 11 device. Go ahead and confirm the installation. After a moment, Google Photos will install and open as its own app window, giving it a cleaner, more desktop-friendly feel than a regular browser tab. This is a convenient way to keep Google Photos easily accessible from your computer, especially if you use it often to browse images, manage backups, or organize albums. In many cases, the installed app can also be pinned to your taskbar or start menu for even faster access later. And that's it. By opening Google Photos in Chrome or Edge, going into your account using the three-dot menu to find the install option, and confirming the prompt, you can quickly install Google Photos on Windows 11 and use it more like a dedicated desktop app.